Unraveling the Mystery. Strain into a glass. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in various contexts, especially when recipes or cocktails are involved. We're going to explore what it means to strain into a glass, why it's used, and how you can use this knowledge in your everyday English conversations. Whether you're a budding chef, a cocktail aficionado, or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video is for you. The phrase, strain into a glass, might sound straightforward at first, but it holds specific significance in culinary and bartending contexts. To strain means to separate liquid from solid. This is usually done using a tool like a strainer or a sieve. The purpose is to ensure that the liquid portion of a mixture enters the glass without any solid bits or unwanted particles. This technique is crucial for achieving the perfect texture and clarity in drinks and certain recipes. Straining is not just about removing solids. It's about refining the texture and enhancing the overall experience of a drink or dish. Here are a few reasons why this technique is essential. Clarity. In cocktails, clarity is often desired for aesthetic purposes. A clear drink is visually appealing and signifies a certain level of sophistication. Texture. Removing ice shards, fruit pieces, or herbs from a drink ensures a smoother sip. It's all about the mouthfeel. Flavor. Sometimes, ingredients are used during the preparation phase for their flavor but are not meant to be consumed directly. Straining helps in retaining the desired flavors without the solid bits. 1. Prepare your tools. You'll need a strainer. There are different types, like the Hawthorne strainer, fine mesh strainer, or a sieve, depending on what you're straining. 2. Select your glass. Ensure the glass is clean and suitable for the type of drink you're making. 3. Strain. After mixing or shaking your ingredients in another container, hold the strainer over your glass. Pour the mixture through the strainer into the glass. Make sure to do this slowly to prevent spills and ensure all solids are caught. 4. Serve immediately. Some drinks are best served fresh. Garnish if required and serve your perfectly strained beverage. Now that you know the why and how, it's time to put this knowledge into practice. Start with simple recipes, perhaps a classic cocktail or a homemade fruit juice. Pay attention to the difference in texture and clarity when you strain into a glass. Experiment with different strainers to see which works best for different types of drinks. Congratulations on learning a new, practical phrase in English. Strain into a glass is more than just a set of words. It's a gateway to exploring culinary arts and enhancing your language skills in real-life contexts. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're now eager to try this technique out for yourself. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing words but understanding their application in everyday life. Cheers to your learning journey, and see you in the next video.